How to turn on or off animated thumbnail on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or on animated thumbnail on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there, and here click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down until you find accessibility and click on it. You're gonna find the first option, which is animated thumbnail. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. And this is it guys, just go to accessibility and you're gonna find this option and you can control this option easy and quick. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.